In this tutorial, I will show you how to remap due dates and reassign tasks in ClickUp. First, open ClickUp and go to your project or list. At the top, click on Add View and select Gantt. This view shows your tasks on a timeline so you can manage deadlines visually. Next, make sure your tasks are added to the timeline. Each task will appear as a bar with start and due dates. You can also connect tasks to create dependencies. This means if one task moves, related tasks adjust automatically. Now, to remap due dates, simply drag a taskbar on the timeline. Move it left or right to change its schedule. If you want to shift the entire project, drag the overall timeline bar at the top. All tasks will update together. If needed, open the settings in Gantt view and turn off weekends. This keeps your schedule aligned with actual working days. Once your dates are set, switch back to list view. Here, you can reassign tasks. Find the assignee field next to each task. Click on it and choose a new team member. You can quickly update multiple tasks if responsibilities change. This helps balance workload and keep everything on track. You can also group tasks by due date or assignee to get a clearer overview. That is how you remap due dates and reassign tasks in ClickUp.